For practice it, exercise 2.23, dollar figure 2, we need to modify our dollar figure program from the previous exercise to become a new program, dollar figure 2, that used a global constant for the figure's height. And to do this, we can go into our previous code, copy it, and paste it in here. We need to rename our class dollar figure 2 and relook at everything we have here. So it's asking us to use a public static final constant, which is going to be an int for the size. It wants us to call it height. And so we are just going to change some things. So our height previously was 7, now we'll use 3. Well, here height is what was determining how many rows we printed. So we'll change this to height like this. The number of stars that outputted should stay the same. The number of money signs will be different though, because the number of money signs correlate to the size. So we can look in our money, and instead of this being 7, it'll be our height. And we can change this down here as well for height. And because our stars should look the same, that's all that we should need to change. We can submit this and see if that is correct. We see that it's not correct, and it looks like the middle part also needs to change. So where our stars are in the middle. So we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can find the slope of the difference of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 minus 6. That gives us 4. And then we have our 5 minus 3. So we have 4 over 5 minus 3, which is 2. So that means that our middle is where we're going to have to look next, right here. And instead of it being 14, this should be height times 2. And if we have this, we can submit it and see if this was our only issue. It was our only issue, and we have passed all of the tests. So this is the code that we need to solve this output.